What made her strong was despite the million things that hurt her, she spoke nothing. Nothing but happiness. हेलो दोस्तों, नमस्ते, कैसे हैं आप लोग? मैं हूं डेलनाज़ ईरानी। आप लोगों ने मुझे काफ़ी सारी टीवी सीरियल्स, मूवीज, रियलिटी शोज में तो देखा ही है। नो, वी आर नॉट गोना टॉक अबाउट ऑल ऑफ दैट टुडे। भाई बस इतना ही कहूंगी कि मैंने आपको बहुत 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 हंसाया मेरे रोल्स में, और आप लोगों ने मुझे बहुत प्यार दिया। इसी प्यार की वजह से I've got that positivity and that encouragement and that motivation to start my YouTube channel, and I am here, look right in front of you, with my first show, which is called Cocoon Presents Real Women Big Stories with Delnaz Irani. Friends, usually क्या होता है, चैट शोज में सेलिब्रिटीज आते हैं, उनके बारे में बातचीत होती है कि वो कैसे स्ट्रगल किया उन लोगों ने, उनकी स्ट्रगल्स क्या है, उनके पाथ्स क्या है, उनकी स्टोरीज क्या है, और कहां से कहां पहुंच गए। छोटे शहर से आए, फिर बहुत स्ट्रगल किया, और उसके बाद वो लोग स्टार्स बन गए, है ना। लेकिन मेरा ये प्लेटफॉर्म रियल वुमेन के बारे में नहीं है, रियल वुमेन के बारे में है, जो लोग स्ट्रॉन्ग है, इंडिपेंडेंट है, खुददार है, अपनी जर्नी, अपना पाथ खुद चुनते हैं और खुद अपनी लाइफ को संवारते हैं। क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि आपकी मम्मी, बहन, भाभी या फिर वाइफ उनकी लाइफ में बहुत बड़े स्टार्स है? सोचा है आपने? सोचा है उनकी डिफिकल्टीज के बारे में? कभी सोच के देखिए, बहुत मजा आएगा उनकी स्टोरी सुनने में भी। तो ये प्लेटफॉर्म उन्हीं लेडीज के लिए है जो अपनी कहानी अपनी जुबानी बताने वाली है। Those women who are strong, who are independent, who are compassionate, kind, loving and absolutely vivacious. So friends, I present to you my guest for today. भाई मेरी बहुत अच्छी दोस्त है। She's full of laughter, she's full of zest. A socio-psychology student, went on to doing advertising and PR, बहुत सारी ads बनाई उन्होंने। उसके बाद वो कोरियोग्राफी भी कर रही थी, लेकिन उनकी पैशन जो है वो है स्टोरी टेलिंग एंड डायरेक्शन। My dearest friend Seema Desai, who is internationally acclaimed for her movie Tinde today. She's won various awards internationally and nationally, of course, the most prestigious Filmfare Award for Tinde. I present to you my first guest.
Hi.
Welcome, Seemu.
Hi, I'm so happy to be here, Delu.
I am so glad that you are here.
I also thank you for calling me for your show. Not because you're just a good friend, but you're also a vibrant soul and you're so passionate about whatever you do. So you inspire us all. So thank you again.
थैंक यू। और सीमा, मैंने ऑडियंस को इंट्रोडक्शन तो दे ही दिया है। ओके, सो नाउ आई वांट यू टू टेल all my fans, my well-wishers and our audience कि तुम्हारी जर्नी कैसे शुरू हुई?
So, Delu, as a child, I always visited film sets. My parents were choreographer. So, for the longest time, I thought children only go to film sets. You know? I know. And later, when I grew up and you're in kindergarten and first grade, I realized, okay, there are other professions also. There are parents who do other things.
Yeah.
So this was so part of me. So I just thought I always want to be in this industry, the film industry.
Right.
So as a choreographer's child, I was visiting sets. So I had quite imbibed all that stuff. And the journey started by doing little plays. Yeah. And you know, you're a friend, so you know how much I talk and I tell stories. So I always had anecdotes to share with people and stuff like that. And it was never a target that I want to become this or that. It was just part of my life of living cinema, you know.
Okay.
It was just connected. Either I dance or I tell stories. I don't know where it was going though.
Okay.
So of course, when I graduated, I studied advertising and public relationships. So when I did advertising, you know, that time, women in filmmaking was not very common out there. Okay, it was really not very common. So my parents also thought, you know, chalo, she kind of fizz out with this
Yes.
enthusiasm and all that. So I happened to join the ad agency, and when on the desk job I realized this is not my cup of tea. I have to be on the floor. I have to be jumping around, shouting, instructing.
Whistle,
dancing,
master
whistle.
ji.
Yeah, exactly. Whistle.
Okay.
So that's when I, thanks to my father who put me in BR Films, and that was like a game changer for me.
Where we met.
Where we met. That's where.
And
the
that
friendship
was almost
really
about
long.
30 years back, guys, that we
Yeah, so
met.
he was closing our
yeah,
age as well.
That's okay.
So yeah, so those times, you know, these ad agencies always contacted a film production house because they would be getting stars.
Okay.
So it was, to get a star, you have to have a film production as your ad filmmakers.
Okay.
So we did major ads. We did Lux with Sri Devi and Saif Ali Khan, Clinic All Clear and all that stuff with a lot of good agencies, Lintas, O&M, and the journey started. So that ad filmmaking taught me how beautifully you can tell a story in 60 seconds. You know, that's how it just came. And
Yeah.
then television, we used to do, you know how television is,
Yeah.
working under the pressure. That taught you that even under pressure you have to give out best.
Yes.
So yeah, that way. And then because I was already into dance, this choreography just happened to me, you know, it
True,
just happened.
true.
Though I have not assisted anybody, but I was always dancing. In college times I was touring with Farah's group and all that, so it just came very naturally to me, and
Yeah.
things fell into place. Yeah, but later in life I realized, you know, no, just having passion won't be enough. You know, you have to go out and do a lot of work so people see your talent.
True.
That's when the difficulty, I won't say difficulty, that's when the realization started that, you know, just being passion, just thinking that all this is going to work is not going to work. You have to get aggressive with what you want to do and get it out there for the world to see it. So that was kind of the journey. And
But tell me something, Simu, I'll just cut you here. Your parents were choreographers. I've seen pictures with your uncle and auntie choreographing, Govinda, Amitabh Bachchan, you know, such huge
Correct.
stars. नेपोटिज्म नाम एक बहुत ही पॉपुलर नाम हो गया है.
Oh, tell me
ओके,
about
लोगों को
it.
लगता है कि यू नो यहाँ सब कुछ बहुत इजीली मिल जाता है. तो आई वांट टू नो एंड आई वांट यू टू टेल द ऑडियंस, योर पेरेंट्स वर कोरियोग्राफर्स. सो डिडंट यू एवर फील लाइक चलो उनके बलबूते पे मैं भी निकल पड़ती हूँ, यू नो, लाइक आई विल बिकम दिस एस कोरियोग्राफर using my parents' name?
So as I said, Delu, I actually never knew what exactly I wanted to do. I was always doing directing and all that stuff. So visiting the set and that ambience was enough for me to understand I have to be here. But what, I was not aware.
Okay.
And also somewhere my parents were supportive, but at the same time they were kind of discouraging me to enter the dance bit and
Okay.
choreo, because
Why was that?
thoda sa, maybe they had some experiences. They didn't want a girl to get into that kind of
Okay,
field, and
okay.
they thought it's not the right field.
Okay.
So they didn't stop me from getting into this field, but I never saw them encouraging me to
Okay.
be a
So it was
dancer.
not yes, not no. It was neutral.
It was neutral. And also because they had a journey. My mother had a journey from being a background dancer.
Okay.
So probably she faced something,
Yeah.
maybe not very pleasant, so she didn't want me to be there. So all that she focused was on my education. And I remember I was touring with Farah. That is thanks to my father. He said, no, let her do it, let her go and experience with people and world out there. I was touring, and then I came to TY, and that was the biggest show I was going to do. And my mother said, I'll break your leg if you go,
Typical mothers.
I'll break your leg, study, give you exams. So probably she didn't want me to go through that kind of whatever struggle they had. So she focused on my education, which I thank her totally.
Absolutely.
At today's day.
Yeah.
Because today you are part of the industry in a more dignified way,
Yeah.
So though she was educated and dignified, whatever issues, whatever problems, she was a background dancer, then journey to big choreographers. And at that time, because there was no marketing, today we have Instagram, social.
Can you please tell the audience what were their names? What were they called?
So
like,
they,
because
my
choreographers
mother
के
was,
छोटे-छोटे नाम भी होते थे ना.
My father has a very cute name. He was in Kapil's show last week. His name is Pappu Khanna. His real name is Rajan Khanna. But then उनके गुरुजी ने नाम पप्पू रख दिया तो पप्पू ही बन गए. ऐसे वो पप्पू नहीं, बहुत इंटेलिजेंट आदमी. And mother, she's no more, but she was known as Indumati. She was a classical exponent. She knew her Bharatanatyam classical. She was very, very talented lady, and she's been my inspiration.
Absolutely.
So
I have
good old days.
seen your bond, Seema, with your mom. We've all been there. I know Seema is very close to her mother, and we were all there when your mom was suffering.
You've
and,
been really very supportive many a times, you know, and
that's what friends are all about, Seema. Come on. And I know how close you were, and that's why I'm sure that you wanted to take that path.
Absolutely.
You've learned a lot from your parents' experiences and journey.
Yes. So I kind of just imbibed it. It was there in my system, and she was very proud when I started doing. Fortunately, she was alive to see me choreographing and do stuff. So yeah, she was very proud of it, and I feel happy, and I just want to take it up further.
Wow. And then what happened? Then like how from choreography, like okay, you were with Farah and things like that, you were with BR, you had that experience, and how did suddenly this Pappu ki Pagdandi and writing and direction, and now Tinde, which has got so many awards, and every time Seema posts something on our WhatsApp group, we're like, yay, yippee, we've got this internationally acclaimed director with us.
This is the only friend who calls me with that tag, internationally acclaimed.
Of course, because she has won so many awards, international and national. Why not, Seema?
Yeah, that's true. Definitely, that's path-breaking. So I'll tell you, choreography happened thanks to Paritosh Painter and your play. That's when I started.
Okay, yes, okay.
I started with Paying Guest with her play, and it was fun to start that way. And then I did video albums for T-Series and stuff like that. You know, the journey started. But honestly, I'll tell you, there's something I was enjoying doing songs because. Of course, it's again like आप 3 minute में पूरा एक story बोलना है, आपको dance भी करना है, and it has to be the part of the film and all that stuff. So it gave me a lot of exposure and experience, and of course I worked, thanks to Parag, I worked with stars, you know, like he introduced me to Rohit Shetty so I could do Golmaal 3, he introduced me to Ajay sir so I could do Son of Sardar, thanks to him.
So we must introduce Parag. Parag jinki baat kare. Parag is a very simple Gujarati fellow, very sweet, and he happens to be Seema Desai's husband. Let's put it that way for a change. And
Thank you.
And he's a super famous media consultant. He's too big today. I mean, थोड़ा सा बता दो पराग के बारे में, उसको भी खुश कर देते हैं.
So she correctly said he's a simple Gujarati man, and he is. But fortunately, he kinds of makes you believe that goodness still works, and being honest, you can still achieve great heights. You can go to great heights.
Sure.
That's one thing I feel for him because you know, in times of today when we see so much happening, good, not so good. I don't want to say bad, but you know, this man has been very honest, and he's gone up there with his good work and goodwill he's earned throughout.
Superb. And Seema and Parag have this beautiful child called Shubh, and I think we've known Shubh for the past 21 years now. 20 years. 20. He's 20, and he's also superly talented. And thoda bata do, Seema, you were absolutely a hands-on mom. तो मदर्स को भी पता लगना चाहिए कि काम करते करते घर को संभालना, बच्चे को संभालना. And today the kid is also going on your path. I feel the same.
Yes, creative.
Yeah. So कैसा रहा वो सारी, मतलब वो सारी चीजें. Yeah.
So as I said, nothing was planned, okay? So when I was in BR Films, I was like the person out there, you know it.
Yeah.
So we were doing ad films, and I went on to direct a serial called Aurat with Mandira Bedi in the lead and stuff like that. And I was doing casting and ad films where I was doing copywriting. Like we were doing various things, and thanks to that institution, today we are like, as you said, hands-on in every department of cinema.
Superb.
Like today you can write, and today you can create, you can put up a set, you can arrange everything. So and then I conceived one day. And then somehow I just didn't feel like working, you know. So I went to my boss and I said, boss, I think, and I was at the peak. Trust me, mobile phones were ringing, landlines were ringing so many times because you're the casting director, you're the director there, and you know your Raviji is like a right hand and all that. So I said, Raviji, I just don't feel like some hormonal changes happen, which all women go through, you know,
Yeah,
however
yeah.
strong you are. So I just said, I just don't feel like. He said, chal moti tu break le le, you come later. I thought it was that easy, Dellu.
Yeah.
That मैं तो बहुत अच्छा कर रही हूँ, break लूँगी, I'll get back. That was the thought.
Yeah.
But trust me, how the phone stopped ringing. And there was one birthday I was so depressed that there was not a single call. There was not a single call, and you're pregnant. You're not in a very good your hormonal changes and stuff like that. And then that's when I realized, Seema, it was never you. It was what designation you were holding that
Yeah.
you had made. I won't say friends, acquaintances, and this. That hit me very badly. It really hit me badly. Thanks to people, supportive people like friends like you and my family who just kept me together, you know. And I thought it was easy, but as I said, after Shubh, I just couldn't get back. I just couldn't get because people have forgotten and times change like that. Daily
Yeah.
soap aa gaya, wo aa gaya, ye aa gaya, ye aa gaya.
Yeah.
And I was kind of lost, you know.
Yeah.
And it was a setback for me.
Yeah.
And that's when, thanks to friends like Paritosh, who got me, said, "Chal ut, tu to dance bhi karti thi, choreograph kar." So, you know, he got me there. Again, it was not easy, you know, with all
Yeah.
that weight, and your husband has just started off, you have
Yeah.
kind of settling, you have no money and stuff like that. But yeah, it just hit me that bas ab tu karte rahe. That you have no option now. You can't just sit back and sulk. You
Yeah.
just keep doing. Ab jo hona hai hoga. Just keep
True.
doing. So that's how, and I'm happy today, you know, कुछ अब नजर आ रहा है, कुछ अच्छी चीजें हो रही है,
बहुत सारी
कुछ
चीजें
progress
अच्छी
हो
है
रही
यार
Yeah,
सीमा
yeah.
from where
Kind
to
of,
where
yeah.
even Parag's journey has been wonderful
yeah,
and he's supporting you and you again from where to where it's an incredible journey. Yeah.
Yes, yeah, God has been kind that way. Yes.
So tell us more about Pappu Ki Pagdandi, Tinde and the other films that you've made and what actually happened with Tinde. How did it just click so well with the audiences?
Yeah,
What
Tinde
was
fun.
that? What was that one trigger point?
So I'll tell you how Pappu Ki Pagdandi also happened. Okay, I was unwell for some reason. You remember that scene,
Yes,
like, you know,
yes,
that whole
yes.
mama's period of
Yes,
unwell, and
yes.
then I just got up and I just decided, yeah, I cannot be like this. I have to do something. So I went to town. I was walking there, films division. I was
Yeah.
just looking. ऐसे देखते देखते मुझे वो films division का board नजर आया. I walked into that place and I said, is there a requirement for film? I don't know what came into me. I had a backpack and I was walking the Mahalakshmi thing and I just went. So they said, the lady who was there was, it's so uncanny, I have to tell you. She says, what is it about? I said, you know, I'm just wanting to know if you have a requirement to make a film. So she said, listen, this is my last day, I'm retiring today. So, and she said, but this is the person you can meet. So I met her at the door, you know, and thank God I met her. I think her name was Monica. So she said, this is the person you can meet. Imagine if I had not met her and I wouldn't know where to go.
Okay.
She introduced me to the person and he said, so this is the form and all. And just somehow I thought this is going to happen. I'm very intuitive as a person. I said, नहीं ये कुछ होगा. मैंने form भरा, story नहीं थी मेरे पास कुछ. मैंने भर दिया form.
goodness.
And I gave
Okay.
the form.
Okay.
So there were shuffling of people on the post. So it took time. By then I did my homework. I kind of found out a script and all that, Pappu Ki Pagdandi. So I wanted to tell an inspiring tale, but I didn't want to make it preachy. So
Right.
I found a story, and then of course with the writer I developed it and all. And when one day they call you and say, okay, you had inquired about it, do you have a script? I said, yes, I have a script. So I go there, it was like a miracle. They loved it. And thanks to Mr. Kundan Shah and Amul Gupte, they were there. thanks they were there, because till then the films for children were just about children, and this was about them for them. So we have a
Yes.
Mika Singh song, and we have a message, we have fun and all that. So they kind of like this whole liveliness about the film.
Yeah.
And it happened. Again, I thought, ho gaya, chalo, I did one film, and suddenly I get a call, your film is opening film at the Toronto Film Festival. So then I was exposed to this whole world of film festivals, which was like, wow. Because यहाँ पे तो आप यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें बदल रही है, but at this still you're known as women filmmaker. वहाँ पे आपको सिर्फ filmmaker बोलते.
Yes.
And that says it all. You don't have to be. I could be a transgender and be a good filmmaker. You know.
Exactly.
How does the gender matter?
Yes.
So yeah, then this whole world of film festival, it got me really very excited. And I just thought, no, this is what I want to do. When I was doing choreography, I was enjoying, but somewhere मेरा दिल कुछ तो missing है बोल रहा था.
Yes.
And it was very difficult to accept that, you know. You are in denial mode. You're like telling कि नहीं, you know, हो जाएगा, ये है, वो.
Yeah.
But somewhere I just said, no, the storytelling is my thing, and I'll
Is
go
your
for it.
passion,
It's
is
my
your
passion.
calling, yes.
Correct.
And so on and so forth. Then we know the journey of, film after
Yeah,
film.
yeah,
And then
yeah.
Tinde happened. And
Yeah, Tinde,
yeah.
yeah.
And that it was a wonderful film. I've seen all Seema's films. But Tinde was something really
Yeah,
cute.
that was.
It's about an extramarital affair in a very funny way.
Yeah,
The narration is superb. The actors were mind-blowing. And I think your direction, the way you've, worked on every character was beautiful, Seema.
Thank you. Delhi.
So the journey has been absolutely powerful and beautiful, Seema. I just feel that your journey with Parag, like you like this, and touch wood for that. You're a couple who has seen the ups and downs of life. Literally, I've seen you all from,
Yeah,
like,
those days.
when
when the pockets were empty totally, and we were looking for a house.
today Parag is doing so well. You, in your own right, you've done so well.
Thank you.
Has it been like today Parag works with the best of the companies? Did you ever tell him that Parag, मेरे को एक फिल्म बनानी है मिस्टर बच्चन के साथ, मैं डायरेक्ट करूंगी उन्हें?
मेरी पड़ती है बोलने No, so honestly, see, you know Parag personally. He himself is not very pushy about.
I know that. I can second that.
Yeah, so then asking him to push for me will be a nightmare for him. Also, Delu, I feel when it comes to creativity, you have to prove your worth. आप किसी के भी wife हो, किसी की भी बेटी हो, किसी के भी, you
Absolutely.
have to.
You said
have
it.
to- yeah, you have to prove your worth. मुझे ये एडवांटेज हो सकता है कि मुझे लाइन में नहीं खड़ा होना पड़ता. If I want to meet so and so people, that's easy for me.
Yeah.
Than others.
But of course, that's today, na?
Yeah.
After so much of
Yeah.
struggle, it was
Yeah,
never.
yeah.
In those days, still you would have to probably struggle your way up.
Yeah, definitely. It is a struggle. See, what happens, though I have advantage of Parag, I do also have disadvantage of being his wife, because because people don't take you seriously in a way.
Yeah.
They feel अगर मैं पराग ने बोला मेरी वाइफ है ना, फिल्म मेकर है, राइटर डायरेक्टर है, आप मिलो, तो उनको लगता है यार मिल के वो ठीक नहीं निकलेगी, ना कैसे बोले, इनके साथ भी रिलेशन खराब हो जाएगा, वैसे भी होता है. And many a times, see, Parag is into PR, media, marketing, digital space. So they cannot connect इसकी wife creative, writer, director होगी. So many a time, if I was a writer, director, they would take me seriously.
Okay.
तो वो मुझे वो चीज़ें backfire भी करती है. So there is a lot of thing I have to also balance in a way, So
True.
And both of us have always stayed very low. We're very low profile people, so I was never out there telling. I'm never there within the parties with him, so he can say ऐसा है वैसा है. दोनों को शर्म आती है. दोनों वो तो रुक ही जाते हैं. No, I'll go to Delna's house and have पुदीना वाला चाय. I rather not come to you this way. So
How sweet, yeah.
But yeah, so the hard work is double Delu for me, And Tinde did that. Tinde did that magic now, but I can send Tinde and see this is her work.
Yeah.
ऐसा कुछ है आपके पास?
So
जो काम
basically,
से करता?
Tinde gave you that boost, that validation,
Absolutely.
and that platform that
Yeah,
like
it's
this
a game
is my
changer.
work. But जब तक वो नहीं होता तब तक वो struggle जारी ही होती, right?
Yeah, it was. Tinde क्या हुआ? The other films, Tinde just came to me because I said एक feature film अब मैंने बनाई थी पप्पू की पगड़ी, तो full length feature film. तो people think I'm a short film maker. They don't know कि वो
Yeah.
भी था. एक फिल्म टू फिल्म बनाने बहुत वक्त लगता है, तो उसके बीच में आई हैड टू टेल अ स्टोरी. सो आई सेड नाउ लेट मी राइट अ स्टोरी विच कम्स फ्रॉम माई हार्ट एंड विच आई हैव ऑब्जर्व फ्रॉम माई सराउंडिंग्स, यू नो, बिकॉज I've been a reader but not like a vivid reader, so I also observe from life, you know. I see
Yes.
day to day life में क्या हो रहा है, इसके साथ तुम्हारी मेरी मस्ती क्या हो रही है, उस
Yeah.
तरह. So I said let me say, when I was making Tinde I was even jittery because it is a slice of life, a day-to-day affair wala thing, not a plot thing, you know.
Yeah.
I was a little jittery and this was totally unexpected. And it gave me that boost. It gave Parag that boost to have that confidence to go and introduce me to people, you know. That
Lovely.
way. So yeah, that
Lovely.
way it has been good.
Seema, your journey has been incredible, I would say. I just want you to just give out your kind of message to the women, whatever you feel, whatever you want to just say from the bottom of your heart to all those women out there who are watching us.
So I just want to say that if you feel you're made for something, you know, you want to be a homemaker or whatever, you have a dream, just remember you are never given a dream without having the power to fulfill it. So of course you have to work for it. So just go for it. Just don't give up. Just keep doing your work and you'll achieve whatever you've dreamt for, you know. That's what I want to say. Just don't give up. The world is cynical. You may have people not supporting you, but just keep doing your thing. Invest each day for that dream which you want to do it. Little way and it'll happen. I'm sure it'll happen.
That's such a beautiful message, Seema.
Thank you.
Absolutely beautiful.
Thank
So,
you so much.
I am sure my audience today is very happy with your journey, and there is some motivation and there is some positivity that we have imparted and we have kind of helped people out there. चलो अब थोड़ा सा फन मजाक कर लेते हैं. ओके
Sure.
ओके सीमू, सो चलो अब थोड़ी सी मजेदार वाली बातें करते हैं. हाँ, ये भी मजेदार ही था. मतलब व्हाट आई मीन इज थोड़ा
Delna's वाला stage.
या डेलनाज वाला,
करते
मस्ती वाला. ओके, सो दिस सेगमेंट आई हैव गिवन द नेम कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Oh.
या कुछ तुम पूछो, कुछ हम बताएंगे, कुछ हम पूछेंगे, कुछ तुम बताना.
That's wonderful.
ठीक है. सो नाउ आस्क मी अ क्वेश्चन एंड आई विल
Okay.
आंसर.
Can I ask you like this or that, वैसे वाला?
Whatever. Yeah.
Okay.
Whatever you wanna ask.
Mountains or beaches?
Actually both.
Both.
Yeah.
अदरक वाली चाय या कैपेचिनो?
अदरक वाली चाय any day.
मेरी दोस्त है, मेरी दोस्त है, मेरी दोस्त है. ओके. आपकी खूबसूरती का राज?
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. अब तो बोलना ही है. Cocoon presents real women, big stories. So Cocoon Beauty, it's all about protecting your skin, nourishing your skin and feeling beautiful.
It's going to be me soon.
Okay. तो अब सीमा मेरी बारी. Okay. तुमने उस दिन पार्टी में मुझे कौन सी वाइन पिलाई थी? May I know because I really
Because that day you were like
I don't
Helen
drink,
to
so-
Katrina Kaif. So that brand I'll give to you. It was a rosé. I don't remember which one, but it was a rosé.
Okay, okay, lovely.
And Delu looked too cute having a rosé because I saw like from Helen to Katrina. That's what I said.
बस बहुत सारी secrets नहीं रही. Okay, what is the best date time that you have? Like if you have to have a quick date with Parag, which is difficult, I know. तो वो क्या
So
होगा?
me as a marriage, I think the bliss time we have is during breakfast. We have breakfast together.
Oh, lovely,
That's
lovely.
like one thing we have to do it together.
Okay,
That's it.
and if you have to describe yourself as a mom, okay, for Shubh, obviously, what if Shubh were to answer this question?
Oh my God.
Okay, what would it be? Three words for Seema as a mother.
3 words. words. Can I just
Or 3 sentences
Yeah,
or 3 whatever.
So I think as every mother, I have a split personality. So I am also a friend to my son, and as he's growing, I keep changing myself. Of course, I am also a little strict and disciplined. So if my son has to say, he will say, yeah, she's too strict. Not now anymore. So yeah, like every mom, you know, I'm strict and I'm also friendly. Overall, if you see, I'm not too protective or possessive about it. I just let him go with the flow and explore his own creativity.
Superb. I think, Seema, we've had a wonderful talk,
I
and
also enjoyed
I
it.
have loved every bit of this chat show with you, which is called Real Women Big Stories, and I am sure your story is definitely a big story and very inspiring for all the women out there. चलिए दोस्तों, तो हम आज का ये एपिसोड खत्म करते हैं, but before you leave, I want to tell my audience that please do like, share and subscribe to this channel, and of course, if you've liked the episode, please feel free to comment. And if you want to be a guest on my show, then definitely comment. Okay? And before Seema leaves, I want to present a small token of appreciation, which is by Cocoon, our title sponsor for the show.
Wow, this is the best part.
This is a small hamper for you, Seema, where you didn't have to struggle, you didn't have to give difficult answers, you just got it.
Wow, this is amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I
Cocoon,
loved it.
Seema, is a product which is very high-end and made in India, which is really sweet. Yes. And these days, I believe that जो products made in India के हैं, वो ही use करो.
सही बात है,
And
I agree totally.
it's got everything. It's got your face serum, it's got your day cream, and it's got shampoo, conditioner, everything.
Thank you so much, Dellu. I had fun chatting, and please keep inspiring with all your positivity the way you are. I love you're passionate about everything, the way you dress, the way you talk, the work you do. Thank you so much, Dellu.
Thank you,
so much.
Simu, and I love you.
Thank you, I
And
love
please, like I said, if you've loved this episode, do like, share, and subscribe, guys. See you, thank you, and yes, wish me luck, because it's my new YouTube channel and my first show on YouTube. And come back for the next episode. Bye.